Hey guys, Joe here. I finally had my fuel pump go out on my 2000 ML 320 with 175,000 miles. This fuel pump is original to the car. You can tell because the caulk is painted the same color as the steel around it. So I'm peeling off all that caulk. I'm going to take it out and replace it. Look at this car. I took the seats out. I knew the car was like this. I just kind of put some some carpets over top of it. But this is how I got the car when I bought it with 140,000 miles. I've got a new piece of carpet to replace the back of this. Unfortunately, I don't have anything for this here. Anyone have any good recommendations? Let me know for cleaning carpet, but it is literally baked into that carpet, and I've just had a replacement floor mat in there to cover that up. So anyways, guys, hope you're all doing well. I'll try to make a short video on fuel pumps here shortly. Alright guys, so take a look at this. Obviously chipmunks or mice, something, definitely using this for a storage location. So I'm going to clean all that out. But that's where your fuel pump is, right underneath that rear seat. Not terribly hard to get to. You could probably take a screwdriver and tap this to the left and remove that, but I'm going to vacuum all that junk out of there first so that doesn't go down inside my fuel tank. Hey guys, I'm not really sure what happened, but when I took off this line, literally like black gasoline came out. That's what it looks like on my rag. So I'm not really sure what that is. My guess is either I got a clog somewhere before the fuel pump or in the fuel filter somewhere. So hopefully we can figure that out, and maybe it's not my fuel pump. I'm running out of daylight here, but I did remove the fuel filter. I could not film it because I only had my hands and I didn't have time to go grab my tripod. But anyways, it is literally, let's see if I can show you guys. Basically right up in there. You see where that clamp is right here? It fits right in there, and then your hoses connect. I can point out to you here, and up here, and then they go up through the hole, right? Up through there, pop out up there. So the two ends from here pop out up here. So you just pull those through, and there is one little connector right here. Boom, just pop that open, and that goes in this little tiny orifice there. And then on the other end, let's see if I can pull it down for you guys to see it. Might have went back up inside. Hang on. There it is. I feel it. I think. No. Where did it go? Hopefully I didn't lose it. Must be up in there somewhere. I'm not feeling it. Let's see. Is this it? I think this is it here. Oh no, that's just my wiring. Don't need that. Here it is. Sorry guys, it was right here the whole time. Anyways, nope. Wait, there it is. It's hard to see in the dark here. Anyways, there's your other connector that goes on the long end. So you just squeeze that one. There's only one button. You just push it in. And what I did is I took a screwdriver carefully between here and I just pried it as I was pushing. Pried that off. So sorry, hard to show you guys all that. You do have to remove your panel. You don't have to, but I think it's easier to do it with it. So anyways, I'm going to order the new parts. Hopefully get this thing back together. I'll show you guys how it goes back together. One other thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to cut this filter open to see what it looks like inside. So I was literally getting black gas coming back out of this orifice, and I think that's obviously not good. Oh wow, guys, I'm cutting through here, and look at what's dripping out on the ground. It's literally black gas. So this filter must have been totally clogged, which was causing my car not to run. So I don't even think I needed a fuel pump. I think it was just the fuel filter. So I'm going to cut it open, finish cutting it open. We'll cut it all the way through, but I'm going to try to bend it back and see if we can, without totally destroying the thing, see what's inside here. Oop, there we go. So looks like the filter cartridge is inside. It's too bad you can't just replace that. Let's see if we could pull it out. Maybe in there pretty good. Now that I've hacked it up pretty well. But you don't know. Let's see if we can get it apart. I am really curious. have something. Oops, we might have it coming a little bit. Sorry guys for the shaky video. I'll set you down. I'll try to get it out, and then we'll show you this, guys. I just have a little. There's more gas in here. Look at that. That's just black. Actually, more of it poured out on my workbench there. So wow, change those filters, guys. Alright, I totally destroyed my garage doing this project, but that's all it is, guys. It's just a steel canister or stainless steel with a paper cartridge, and honestly that thing looks trashed. I'm not surprised I was not getting very good fuel, and I mean, you know what, honestly the car might even run better now. I don't know, we'll see what happens when we put the new filter in and the new fuel pump. So I'm actually kind of excited to see what happens. So anyways, just thought I'd show you guys. Hope that helps you guys.